Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Google Veo 2 and Runway. In order to do so, here we are at aistudio.google.com and we're also at runwayml.com. And what I have here is a prompt that I use for both models, and it's fairly straightforward. A person swimming, thrashing around, drowning, water splashing, scared, Pacific Northwest cinematic documentary. And for the negative prompt, I added ugly, distorted goggles because I didn't want the character wearing goggles. And we are going to do a comparison of the two models. So let's go ahead and take a look at Runway first. And in fairness, I will say that with Runway, I used the Runway 2 model, Gen 2. And according to their website, this is going to be deprecated after Sunday, May 11th. Now, they have newer models than this, so I don't think that this is a proper representation of what Runway is capable of. However, if you are using the free version, then this is the only way that you can do text to video. And according to their site, they're going to be taking this out. So if you want to do text to video, you can use Gen 3, but you're going to have to upgrade and have the subscription. So we'll just take a look here at the results and you can see for yourself what the difference is. So first off, we'll see Runway. And as you could see, it really isn't doing much of anything. I mean, there is some very subtle movement there, but I mean, and of course we are using an older model, but there wasn't really much here to be excited about. Yes, we got our image of our person swimming, but there's just no movement whatsoever. Now, we could try generating more video to see if we get a better result, but just for the purposes of demonstration, we're just going to show you here what Gen 2 was capable of, and I'm sure you could get better results with some of the newer models. But again, when it comes to text to video, at this time, the only option you have is the Gen 2 model, and that's going to be taken out here pretty soon. Let's go ahead and compare this now with Veo 2. Use the same prompt, same negative prompt, and here is the result. So obviously much better, really good quality. I mean, photorealistic. It didn't quite get the prompt though. He's not really swimming. He's not really thrashing around. He's not really drowning. There is some water splashing and he is scared. And the ambiance definitely feels Pacific Northwest. So all of that is proper, and it does look pretty good. But again, when it comes to video generation, a lot of times you have to do multiple tries to really get what you want. A lot of times the first time you don't really get what you want and you have to do it again, and that costs credits. So that's probably the most frustrating part of generating video, is that many times you're not going to get it right the first try, and those credits do cost money unless you're using a free version. And Veo 2 is nice enough to offer some free credits for you to play around with, so that is definitely an advantage there. But that's basically the comparison there between Veo 2 and Runway Gen 2. Again, we could try using a newer model with Gen 2, but unless you have the subscription, then you're not going to have access to that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.